Right, so in this next video on the Mini Cooper conversion here, what we're going to be doing today is removing these side pieces here. We're going to take these off. These have been on some years now, so I'll show you some tips and tricks how to remove these and how then to fit the Aero side skirts to the car a bit later. As you can see here, there's a screw inlet here, and that effectively is a plug that should go up into the bodywork underneath the car, and then you unscrew this, that comes loose a bit, then you use this to go in between there and pull it out. But unfortunately, because these have been in years, we can't get these out of the car because this car was built in 2007. So what we're going to have to do is use the chisel here. Just put that out. Another one sheared off. What we can do then is push the other bits into the inside and get them out shortly. As I said, that's one of them there, you can see, but obviously all the dirt and muck that's in there is probably embedded into everything as well. So we've got this section all cleaned up now, got the other fasteners out that was in there that had snapped off originally. That's done. Same here on the tops, we've got 4 slots there that fasteners have got to go in. So we'll get the wheels back on the car, drop it down and then fit them when it's at ground level. Simple reason being, because of the lifting blocks here, you have to get right underneath and put the fasteners in. Once you fit in the side skirts too, you've got these square pegs, as you can see, up along here. You've got these little pegs and they go in a certain way because they've got grooves on them here to grip inside the bodywork on the car. So I'll show you how we fit these. Just put something on top like that. That then goes flush there, and then after we've put the others in, we can then put the plate on top. Got the Aero side skirts on, as you can see, so that's boxed off. What we'll be doing now, because we've got the black wheel arches, we've sourced some vinyl wrap that is basically more or less the same shade as that. So where the wheel arch comes down to the side skirt there, we're going to put this on, and then that will make it look like it comes right down. to the bottom there. So you'll see me putting these on, and then we'll take a look a bit later. That's wrapped now, so that's all done. Heated it up, and that's sealed, so that'll bond to there, and then that'll look uniform with the rest of the car aesthetically to line up with these arches here. I put the vinyl on here, so it looks more uniform with the wheel arch. Well, we're making quite good progress now on the Mini Cooper R56 project here at Top Car Detailing. Quite a few more videos to come yet before we finish this fantastic car up. But as you would have seen me in the video there, fitting the Aero Side Skirts here on the vehicle. They're all fitted now, and obviously the vinyl wrap on both ends to coincide with the wheel arches. Very important too, and it finishes it off and gives it that look as well. Also, stay tuned for my next video where we're going to be fitting the Aero front bumper to this car. We've got that back now from the paint shop, and we're fitting new lights in there, etc. as well. And also you'll see the finished results too with what we're going to be doing with the bonnet and fitting the badges as well. So quite a bit more coming yet. If you like, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, and you'll be notified once that video goes live. And then after we've done that, we should be looking at detailing the car and getting the wheels back on and seeing the finished results coming shortly. So stay tuned, and I'll catch you later.